Swatches and a tutorial using only the Aina palette. First, let me say welcome back to my channel, Chilee1990, for those who aren't familiar. I did a video today with this palette, just this palette alone. I'm trying to hurry up and talk so I can hurry up and get out in the sunlight and take real ass pictures and real ass videos. But yeah, I love how this turned out. Very satisfied with this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Chilee1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. So this is the Aina palette in all its glory. Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You guys might be able to tell that I've been using this already, but we still gonna swatch. I mean, I haven't used all the shades yet, but I've used a few, and yeah, I'm gonna do some swatches. So first off, we have Soleil. It's always hard for me to get the right angle. Okay, it looks like that. Then we have Zam, rose gold color. Then we have Supreme, which is like a matte pink. Then we have Wiggly's, which is like a burgundy shimmer. Then we have Pinker, which I don't really know how to describe this. It may be like a mauve purpley color. It's not showing up purple on camera, but it's a lot more purple than that. It's showing up brown. One I'm swatching is Shookington, which is this purple shimmer down here. And I'm trying not to like really dig into them because the pans are kind of small. So I'm trying to make it last. No cute sweat. This is Big Wig. This is like a dark purple color. Then you have Trust Issues, which is like this. It looks like a white gold, I guess. Can't really see. That's a little bit better, I guess. But it's a very pretty color. That's good as a topper or by itself for you neutral girls out there. Then we have Dwellers. Like a true gold color. Then we have Edges. This is probably like one of Jackie's favorite words. Most of her like promotional codes are edges. That's a good transition color. I don't know how to describe that. I'm still learning. The next one I'm swatching is Credit, which is like a good crease color. Very dark brown. Then we have Sponsored, which reminds me of the M.A.C blue brown pigment. Then we have Lituation, which is like a nice bronzy brown color. It's a shimmer. And then lastly but not leastly, this is the one I see her use on her Insta story the most, and this is Ginger. That's a good transition color. So these are all the shades in their glory, and now we're gonna get into the look using only this palette. Prep my eyes off camera also. Now the thing I like about the Aina palette is it comes with a mirror, and it also came with a brush. this dual-sided brush, which looks like, let me take out the plastic. It's my first time using it. Oh, excuse me. Which comes with this fluffy, blah, 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 blah. Why I always do that? This fluffy blending brush on one side. And this denser blending brush on the other side. So we're gonna start with, should we do it reverse? No, I'm gonna do it the way I always do it. I'm gonna start with the fluffy side. And I'm gonna pick up, you guys can't even see me picking. I'm gonna pick up, ginger. I think we're gonna do a halo out of there. And I'm gonna take the denser side of the brush and we're gonna pick up Credit, which I currently need to work on mine, and put that right in that crease and buff it out, y'all. Then I'm gonna cut the crease with the foundation I had left over from doing my brows. You can use any kind of concealer. You can use whatever you want to use. You can use concealer, glitter glue, foundation, any kind of base. Whatever you want to be your base, that's your choice. And I'm just using my brush that I use to cut my crease with. Sorry. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe M421 brush and I'm gonna take Wiggly's, which is this burgundy shimmer right here, and we're gonna put that on the outside and the inside. Okay, then we're gonna clean the brush. I'm just using a paper towel. You can even change brushes if you want to, but I'm not gonna do all that. And I'm gonna take Zam, which is this color right here on the end, and put that right in the middle. Then you're gonna go back into Wiggly's, just picking up a little bit, and blend out the edges. Just imagine this is without me putting any like setting spray down or anything. This is just dry. Like, that's how bomb and pigmented these shadows are. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna move on to liner. Y'all know it's pretty much only one liner. Ain't no pretty much, girl. It's only one liner you use. This is Wet n Wild Maybelline. No wing today, just gonna do like the angle thing we do. Woo. Take my I Envy by Kids Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in black. Why I said it like that. And just brush a little bit as close to the lash line without getting it on the lashes. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Perversion mascara sample and put some mascara on my lashes. So we're going to prep the skin. I'm going to take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream. It looks like I put way too much. And then I'm gonna take this CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, pore minimizing for people with redness. I'm gonna take, of course, my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. So I just like what that does for my laugh lines and the creases around my nose. Now I'm gonna take my M.A.C Studio Fix in NC47. So I'm gonna take this flat top brush from Forever 21. I'm gonna take my Badescu Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and I'm just gonna move my palette. I'm just gonna spray it. Buff that out. So I never like to end it with the brush. I just like to use the brush to buff it out, and then I go in with a beauty sponge and blend it out. I'm gonna take my M.A.C Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. Okay, then we're gonna highlight. Take that same sponge. You guys know this routine pretty much. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. It's a loose finishing powder. And I'm gonna take my M.A.C Mineralize Skin Foundation in medium dark. And I'm gonna put the M.A.C down first. Then I'm gonna take that Maybelline loose finishing powder and go right on top. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Espresso. Blend that out with the beauty sponge. I'll take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm gonna pick up tan, which is this color right here, on a Aloe Studio F14 brush. I'm gonna take my Queen Fumi palette and my favorite blush at the moment, which is this Sister to Sister. I'm picking that up on a Ulta Beauty cheek brush. It's just so like subtle, like back into the eyes. We're gonna go back into the eyes. I'm gonna take, this is a concealer brush. This is the tiniest brush I have from E.L.F. And I'm gonna take Trust Issues, which is this color right here. Put it on my brow bone first. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. This Morphe M408 brush, which is a smudge brush. And pick up edges. Put that on my lower. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take Shookington. I'm gonna take my E.L.F. highlighting brush, and we're gonna take Soleil, which is this color up here. Take my auto lip liner from Ruby Kisses in dark brown. Take my Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in Super Nude. It's a matte, the pinky matte. Looks like that. Then I'm gonna take, I don't think it even has it on here anymore, but this is my Milani Lip Plumper Gloss in Nude Shimmer. I'm gonna take my Menthol Lip Salvation from Ruby Kisses in Clear. My NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Take my Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe Cucumber and green tea. Take a beauty sponge and press everything in. Before I forget, I'm gonna take my Essence Get Big Lashes mascara and put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. Hey there, big guy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some earrings in, change my clothes, take my bonnet off, brush my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look. I'm pretty satisfied with how everything turned out. Very satisfied with the pigmentation of this palette. The only con that I can think of is the pans are a little bit small, but other than that, love this collaboration with Jackie. Can't wait till she comes out with more stuff for me to buy, along with all the other Black entrepreneurs in the makeup industry that I will be supporting. Yeah, love how this turned out. It's not too bold, it's not too bright, it's not too neutral either though. It's a little pop of color. Yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Chilee1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.